Uh, Very good morning, dear. Myself, Miss Deepti from Dip Scroll Bag. In today's lecture, we are continue the reading of Geography Chapter 5 and in Agriculture and Introduction. And in today's lecture, we are going to conclude this chapter, and we are going to read about in the types of farming, the commercial farming. सो कमर्शियल फार्मिंग बेसिकली क्या होता है? कमर्शियल फार्मिंग इज वो फार्मिंग है जिसमें प्रोड्यूस द क्रॉप्स एंड टू सेल इन द मार्केट. फार्मर खेतों में अनाज उगाता है मार्केट में सेल करने के लिए एंड टू अर्न प्रॉफिट. सो लेट्स सी. In this system of agriculture, most of the agriculture products are for sale in the market. The crops to be grown are mostly chosen keeping the mind their sale value. The farms are very large in size. Some say more than 1,000 hectares, and the amount of capital required also large. The main type of commercial agriculture farming are commercial grain farming and extensive agriculture, mixed farming and plantation agriculture. So commercial grain farming, it involves the main products of food grains such as wheat and maize for commercial purpose. It is widely practiced in the sparsely populated regions like temperate grasslands of North America's South America, Pampas, Europe and Asia steppes. A large land holding most of the farm work is done by the machines. Due to the severe climatic condition, especially during the winters, only one crop can be grown in 1 year. Although the yield per unit area is low, but the capital yield is very high. As the labor employed is limited, the cost of production is less. In most cases, the owner themselves are farmers. So we have heard in the previous chapters, we have read about the temperate grasslands also in previous classes. So in same thing, then whatever is there, that large farm areas are there, modern techniques they use, and mostly low or no workers they required, because most of the work is done by the machines itself. So modern techniques, modern machinery is used in these type of agriculture. Next is the mixed farming. It involves raising of livestock along with the crops and fodders. This type of farming is mostly practiced in thickly populated regions of Europe, Asia, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand and South Africa. The size of the farm is moderate and the cereal crops are grown along with the fodder crops such as alfalfa and lucerne. So mixed farming, name ही बता रहा है. Mix means along with the farming, farmers do other things also, grow other crops or main crops के साथ में other crops को grow करना, as well as livestock को रखना, like cow, buffalo, ship rearing करना, fish rearing का करना. ये सब क्या है? It helps to earn more. So this type of agriculture mostly done in the densely populated area in the world. There is the two fodder crops land, alfalfa means मेथी सब्जी, जो मेथी की जो फसल होती, मेथी जी की सब्जी बनती है, उसकी बात हो रही है. The animal waste is used to as manure. The farmer rear cattle for milk, beef and sheep for wool and mutton. The farming method are intensive and where every effort is made to get high yield of cereals and fodders. Sometimes cattle are fed on standing crops. So this is the mixed farming. Another is the plantation agriculture. Plantation agriculture is, for example, tea, growing of tea and coffee. In this plantation agriculture, one crop is grown in large farms known as the you can say we say it estate. So large farm is known here is known as estates. States there where this single crops are grown, and uh, the farms are very mostly work is done, plantation done by the scientific base, and even the agriculture products are fully and partially processed on the plantation before sending them to the for the sale in the market. The availability of cheap and skilled labor is must for the economic success of the plantation. Mostly the plantation are managed like industrial units, and efficient and adequate agriculture has mostly developed in the tropical regions of the world, such as rubber plantation in Malaysia and Indonesia, tea plantation in India and Sri Lanka, coffee plantation in Brazil, Colombia, sugar cane plantation in Colombia and Java, and banana plantation in West Indies. So एक ही क्रॉप उगाई जाती है एंड उसी क्रॉप से ही उनका सारा साल वो लोग काम करते हैं. मेनली ये इंडस्ट्रीज मेन इंडस्ट्रीज यूनिट्स होती है जो इनको ये रन करती है. सो दीज आर द कमर्शियल फार्मिंग. नेम से ही हमें पता लगा, वी आर कम टू नो दैट कमर्शियल फार्मिंग इज द फार्मिंग विच in which crops are grown by keeping in the mind that the crops which are grown here having their market value. According to their market value, crops are grown in this type of farming. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you.